Lang litu mapan prang sige nilihin pen kero piwa prang lo ahok lo KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum kisung taktik pen si ningkan hini nanteng lo stamil labang so kisung ho na hut presiden bang datang ke tek daga betul tema stamil niliri RA ahar jak abang ke tangkring sido litu masih ketriba posi presiden kisung taktik ho stamil Secretary Phansi PDJN Ponponglo Lapenan Partame Kai Kinang Karsap Dunthi Alangli Gya Jone Ding Nai Bang lo Digital News Forum lo So Lambu Bisi Alangli Hangi Hang lo So Tenterang Alangli Tame Kai Kita Nang Arsap Dunthi lo BD Suris Tame Alangli Nang Pidun Bom lo Lapenan Joksi Pini la bangso KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum bangke pini an ningkan hini nak tengolo digital ahin eletum kopiat hesi ke seng konang kok mala bangke eletum secretary ke hai pen than tanglo ilila bangso lam ningje pon welo stambe isi alama bangke pini eletum matha memedi KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum tim la andelo ma pumemi pini ke chetong ke stambe nilitum financial problem pe najok nilitum hang nang nilo mate labangso foundation data talon po nang nilo wansi nilitum mathalo ate KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum tum kai kis stambe program kithe kiteng pon ke December chik rosi teng pon pon lo kicheng hot stambe media conference pon nilitum kan resort long si pon lo apen pining stambe kedam tang pining ali chuning stambe langkung habi town hall long silitum bipon lo dijikon asi pining le thos stambe nilitum kematha bangke mola so dijikon hule asapu cheilang michit a program bipon lang pusin nilitum chesik lo stambe la nisini ni angbong stambe nilitum atimatum central atimatum penabang nilitum phanang pulo ilitum Bani ban thong bes tame chihang soi la him ke dok beng ra chu de na condition de ameng pen si te than lo la puson un ho si mo pen ni gi puson ni litum secretary bang alang li ar jap thip lo ali lo litum atim an phan lan male kali si tame bang thong bang previous tame arwarim dum hana chihang na ben si wang ori phusi ke theren ti lo la to handa la pu district west KARBI Anglong President
Forum, the team of NE KARBI Life extends our warm felicitation to the esteemed President and Secretary of KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum. So, as a token of our respect and admiration for their dedicated leadership in our journalism, we are pleased to present them with a certificate. So, before handing over the certificate, I would like to read what is written on it. Lasinon nilitum alang litum apan sita me la certificate pipon pe aprang nili pithek pen sita me por hipon ikpo. La sa aprang siya bangke nili la president apan si por hipon ikpo. Mr. Ratish Rongpar, President of KADNF, KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum. Whereas, felicitation to the esteemed President of KARBI Anglong Digital News Forum, KADNF, on the auspicious occasion of its second Foundation Day. It's a privilege to commemorate the momentous milestone, acknowledging the indefatigable endeavors, unshakable commitment, and unwavering ardors of the entire KADNF fraternity. Over the past biennium, KADNF has emerged as a luminary in digital journalism, illuminating the issues, culture, and narrative of KARBI Anglong with unparalleled veracity. Your visionary stewardship has been instrumental in cultivating a platform for impartial reporting, fostering transparency, and amplifying the community's voice. Through your relentless pursuit of truth and adherence to journalistic ethics, KADNF has established itself as a venerated source of news and information. We express our deepest admiration for your tireless effort in shaping the digital media landscape in the region, empowering the community through precise and timely reporting. The forum